Hey friends, if you wish to fix fail fast exception error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, the first solution is to update drivers. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane, select optional features, and then you can install all the updates from here. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Now, this will fix the situation in 80% of the cases. Why? Because it will search for missing and corrupt files and fix them if possible. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Then, the next solution will be to disable fast startup. Here's what you will have to do. Just look at this carefully. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Oh, sorry, it's power cfg. Okay, now go to choose what power buttons do and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn this off, uncheck this and click on save changes. Then the last one is to run a checkdisk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f. Now press Y and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.